Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious apple pie with a graham cracker crust. First, let's prepare our simple crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs, which is roughly 10 full sheets. Mix these crumbs with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into a 9-inch pie plate, then chill it while you prepare the filling. Now let's create the star of our pie, the apple filling. You'll want 6 to 8 medium baking apples, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. In a large bowl, gently toss the apple slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a blend of warm spices. This includes 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves for depth. A splash of lemon juice keeps them fresh. With your crust ready and apples seasoned, it's time to assemble. Carefully spoon the apple filling into your chilled graham cracker crust, mounding it slightly in the center. For extra richness, dot the top of the apples with 2 tablespoons of cold, cubed unsalted butter. Bake your pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the apples are tender and the filling is bubbly. If the crust edges brown too fast, cover them with foil. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Once baked, let your apple pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 3 to 4 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny slice. A warm pie is delicious, but a properly cooled pie holds its shape beautifully. Serve it plain, or for an extra treat, add a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.